whenever you're looking at biomes, just know that we have three different forest biomes. Three. First one is tropical rainforest, second one is the taiga, and the third one is a temperate deciduous. In the next section, the section right next to that we're writing, we have the dry biomes. So let's go ahead and put the word dry biomes. What biome do you think might be in the dry biome? Very good. So number one in that one is the desert. Anyone want to take a guess on what would be the next one?
Oh, savanna. Wait.
The next one is the tundra. Yeah, there's only two dry biomes. You have the desert and you have the tundra. In the forest biome, we have three. We have tropical rainforest, we have the taiga, and we have the temperate deciduous. Sometimes you might see the word, give me a second. Sometimes you might see the word temperate deciduous forest. Just know that it's still one of the forest biomes, okay? Or what you could also do is just go ahead and add it to your if you can see, maybe sit next to Isabella on that side so that you can see the board a little bit better. On the other side of Isabella. Yes.
What about the candy?
Huh?
What about the candy?
What candy?
Canyons.
Oh, the canyons. Canyons are found in some biomes also, but that's not a category for biomes. Okay? But it is found in some of the biomes.
Isn't Las Vegas like in the middle of the
Mm-hmm. So we have the forest biome, we have the dry biome. The third one is the grassy biome. So this one has a lot of grass, grassy biome. In the grassy biomes, we have two. We have the savanna and we have the biome called the grassland. So that these two should be easy for you to remember. The grassland and the savanna are both grassy biomes. There's a lot of grass.
A is next to the
In savanna,
yeah. Two?
it's one A, two N's, and another A at the end.
And there's two S.
No.
Bro, I can't see it's S A V. Oh, I
Savanna. SAV. Do I have to switch your seat? I might have to. If you can see the board, you might have to sit up front. So I might have to switch you and Israel.
I got it.
Okay.
There is some S, guys. Where do you get the S from? The S is from grass.
Oh, it's GRASSY. I did not know that's the word you were asking
I
about.
thought you were talking about mine.
I thought she was asking us about savanna.
Oh.
So what are the ones we talked about so far? The forest biome, the dry biome, and now the grassy biome. Who could guess what the fourth category is?
Icy biome?
Yeah,
The snow?
no, I got this. It's in my book.
Frozen biome?
Who could guess what the fourth category is?
The wet biome.
And when you say wet, what do you mean?
Rainforest. Oh, wait, ocean biome.
Ocean? No.
It's alright.
This one.
It has something.
This one.
Listen, it has something to do with the ocean, but it's called the aquatic
Aquatic.
biome.
Oh, no.
Aquatic biome.
Aw.
Discussion now.
I was trying to go to. I didn't like that one here.
Aquatic biome.
We should. Ryan. I want to crown of
There are 3 aquatic biomes.
Right?
Yes. The first one, we already talked about rainforest. Remember, rainforest is in what category?
And forest biome.
It has to be in the forest biome because it says forest, right? So the first one in the aquatic biome is the freshwater biome.
I was gonna say marine.
That's in there too, but let's go one at a time.
Oh, okay.
Freshwater biome. I'm not gonna put the word biome, just freshwater, because so we know it's an aquatic. And for the freshwater biome, they're gonna determine these biomes by the level of salinity, okay? Do we know what salinity means?
No.
The level of salt that's found in their water, in the water. So for freshwater,
It's gonna have no salt.
it has salt, but this one has the lowest amount of salt.
Oh,
Right, the least amount or the lowest of the 3. The lowest salinity. All right, lowest salinity. Number 2. The second one is called the estuary. You guys have learned this in 6th grade about the estuaries.
I don't remember that.
So this one has fluctuating salinity, meaning that it doesn't stay at one level. It moves, it goes up. Sometimes it's salty, sometimes it's not. Okay? Fluctuating. And that all depends on the runoffs that's coming down into the estuaries. Fluctuating salinity. And then the last one, the third one, is called the marine biome. What do you think the salt level on the marine is?
It's gonna be high.
Very high. It has a high salt because the marine would be like the ocean.
Yep.
You know.
Okay, so that broke down our biome in 4 different sections. So moving forward, you guys should be able to identify each biome once you find out the characteristics of the biome, the animals that live there, the plants that live there, and just the overall habitat of that biome. Okay?
Can you show me the grassy? Because I did not write it down.
Grassy biome.
Yeah, cause I was struggling.
It's savanna and grassland. Those are easy. So what y'all should do to try to remember this is look at each section and try to figure out which biome would fit into each section. Alright? That's something that you need to do on your time. Alright, that being said, the packet that we had yesterday is this one. I'm gonna go ahead and hand these out because we're gonna be working on these biomes. I give you the instructions, then we'll transition to the bathroom and then come back and start doing work. I'm gonna give you the instructions first. Okay? I don't have yours. I don't have Isabella's and I don't have, Willie's. Oh, alright, give it to her. So then yours must be up on their table?
I already have
Oh, you have yours? William, where's yours?
I don't know.
We just bought.
Oh, let me go check.
So if you lock. Wait, no.
Yeah, I found it. This is my bag.
You found it?
This is my bag. In Jersey.
Does that mean I can?
Yeah, thanks, I call.
I mean, that means.
Alright, so I am going to, I need to get this printed out for you guys so that you have like a visual in your hand, but in the meantime, this is posted on Google Classroom, okay? And if you turn to, on your packet, turn to the page, the first page after the cover on the packet. Isabella, please pick your head up. Pay attention. If you want to go to the bathroom, pay attention.
First page. The cover.
So on this page, it gives you a biome, and it's asking you for the average temperature, the average precipitation, and the animal adaptation and plant adaptation. The words are kind of cut off, so we can't see it, but the first one is animal, second one is plant, okay? When you're looking at your picture, let me scroll down. When you're looking at your picture on your Google Classroom, you are looking for so the first few slides is going to give you information, okay? Then you're looking on these slides right here. These slides are the ones that are going to help you to determine the temperature and the precipitation. So you're going to have to do a little bit of math, right? So because it's asking you the average. Who knows how to find the average of something? Who knows how to find the average of a number? Huh? Y'all just got this in math.
Oh,
No.
You guys are saying bro, but then you explain it.
oh, alright.
Who knows what the average means? How to average a number?
I think you have to add.
Yeah, first thing you're gonna do is add, and then what's the second thing you're gonna do?
Divide.
Then you're going to divide by
Divide.
what?
Me.
What are you dividing by though?
Dividing
By how many numbers are there?
Very good. You're dividing by how many numbers they are to be divided by. Correct? Okay, so the first one is asking you the coniferous forest. Let's see which one is the coniferous forest. Some of these words are cut off. I can't even see them.
You have to have both on the same group.
All right, switch to the other page until I could figure out that section right there. So the other section says freshwater, which is river, lakes, and then estuary, and then marine, right? So we're gonna work on that part first, until I could figure out what the other parts are saying. So let's go down to, let's go down to, it must be at the bottom. Alright, so the first one is asking you about fresh water. There it is. So the question they're asking you is the salinity level. All you gotta do is read in these information to try to figure out what's the level of salinity. It might tell you down here. Or it might tell you in this or in this. You just gotta read it, okay? Then you go to the next one. It says estuary. It's asking you the same thing. What is the salinity level? What is the animal adaptation? And what is the plant adaptation? Because in those biomes, there's also plants and animals. All right, let's look at the last one, which is this one, which is the marine. It's gonna ask you the same question: salinity level, animal adaptation, or plant adaptation. So you're gonna be reading within this to figure out the answer for those questions. Are there any questions that I need to answer before I leave you to get started?
No.
Okay. All right, let's go to the bathroom, and then when we come back, then we'll start.